am in the process of widebodying my RX-7 FD, and today we're going to polish a bunch of the panels like the one you see behind me here to get it ready for PPF, or in other words, paint protection film. Well, hello. We're getting all the dust out because this door has been sitting in our living room for almost 3 months now. Boom, boom. Okay, ready?
The reason that we prep it, aka are going to polish it and get all the inclusions out and stuff, is because since it's a clear film, you're gonna see everything underneath it. So if you have, say, a scratch on the painted surface, or little nicks or bumps or fingerprints even, if it's not properly buffed and cleaned and everything prior to the install, it's gonna show through when we're done. And I'm doing this because things like Speed Shine, the way they're chemically formulated, the detail spray will encapsulate the dirt as I wipe it down, helping not to scratch the paint. So let's get it wiped. If we look close, there's some scuff marks here or something that I can't really get out by hand. And then like here too. That's just happened somewhere in the process that this developed. It could have been while it was drying, in between clear coats, who knows? But this is the kind of stuff we're gonna doing our best to remove with the polishing compound. And you can kind of look closely too as I bring the light along here. It's not too bad, but this hasn't been polished at all yet. There's kind of a bit of spider webbing going on. Kind of hard to see on this panel, but when we're done polishing, we're not gonna see any of this. So we're gonna prep our polisher and our polishing compound. Every brand has a lot of different compounds, so
Squirted!
So find the one that works for you. Everyone's got a different way of doing this. If you have the means of detailing things by yourself, do it. Take your time. What I like about the Griot's Garage polishes is they're not super aggressive. So now that I've done 4 to 6 or plus passes, whatever I kind of feel comfortable with, to also ensure that I'm not like burning through the clear coat, which again with this compound is kind of hard, which is a good thing. It's nice and safe. It's more user-friendly product. I'm going to now wipe it with the clean microfiber and get all the compound off. That section is done. I'll give you a little bit extra light here, but look at the reflection in it, and look at now how we really don't have any micro swirls. So in my book, this is perfectly good to PPF. We're not too worried about little pinholes or inclusions because for the most part, the thicker PPF films hide all that stuff anyway. But the big goal is to get rid of all the swirls, and we have done that here. So let's move on to the rest of the panel.
So the door panels are done along with the fiberglass kit, but one thing that I learned throughout this process is that the fiberglass kit doesn't always come perfect, right? So when we put the paint on, there are imperfections such as pinholes or air bubbles that comes to the surface. Luckily, once the car is ready to be PPF, the imperfection will no longer be visible, right? So I'm really excited for my car to finally get PPF on, and we're working with a shop next door called Asphalt Affair, located at Pacific Raceway. If you guys want to learn more about how paint protection film really works, stay tuned for my next video. See you guys next time. Bye.